In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade an image into a gradient background using Canva. This is a fantastic technique to make your designs look more professional and visually appealing. Let's get started with the process. First, you'll want to open your Canva design where you've already set up your project. Click on the background of your design. This is where we'll add a striking gradient to seamlessly blend with your image. Now direct your attention to the menu at the top or the left side of the screen and find the color icon. Clicking this will open up a variety of color options. Scroll through these options until you find the gradient section. Canva provides an array of gradient colors for you to choose from. Pick one that complements your design and click on it to apply it to your background. Once your background is set with a gradient, it's time to focus on your image. Click on the image you've added to your design. Notice the toolbar that appears on top. You'll need to find and click on the BG Remover tool. This handy tool removes the background from your image, making it easier to blend into the gradient background. After your background is removed, it's time to use the Image Blender tool. If you don't see this option immediately, you may need to install it from the Canva app section. Simply click on Apps, type in Image Blender and install it. With the Image Blender tool ready, select your image and click on the Blend Selected Image option. Next, you'll see different blending options. Go ahead and select Radial. This option allows for a nice smooth fade effect from the center of your image outward. You'll notice a circle appear on your image. You can drag and adjust this circle to control how your image fades into the background. Experiment with the size and positioning to achieve the desired effect. Once you're happy with your blended image, remember to save your work. Click on the Save button to ensure you don't lose any progress. Now for an added layer of depth, you might want to drag and drop a duplicate of the image onto the canvas. Apply the BG Remover tool once more to this image. This can help in layering and resizing your images to add more complexity if needed. Finally, adjust the size of your final image to your liking. This resizing ensures that both the gradient and the image look perfectly integrated. And there you have it, your image is now beautifully blended into the gradient background, giving your design a stunning and professional finish.